Hi, sixth graders. I'm trying to do this on my personal laptop and not my work computer, so hopefully this works. So I have Zoom open on Chrome, the way that I think some of you do. So I'm going to sign in with my school email with Google. And so if you do that, you can see I have my class stuff set up here. Again, I'm not sure if it looks like this for you, so hopefully it does. But what you can do is there's the option to schedule a meeting when you sign in. And so you can call it, just my meeting, or you can give it a little name or whatever. But you need to decide when you want to meet with your friends. So if you want to talk to them on Tuesday, you want to do it at 2 o'clock. And then even if you aren't going to meet for that whole time, I usually try to schedule it for a little bit longer than I think it'll go. It shouldn't stop you. I think it's just for calendar purposes. But so, give it 2 hours that you want to talk to your friends. Recurring meeting means, is it going to happen every Tuesday? And in this case, it wouldn't. Generate automatically, that's fine. Security, we have it set at school so that there's always a waiting room. So whoever is hosting, they have to let people in through the waiting room like we do for class. Video on. Audio, people can use a phone or computer audio. This is automatic settings. Meeting options, enable join. So if you want to let them join before whoever's hosting gets there, you can do that. This would be a good choice for you to keep things safe so that other random people can't come in. Only authenticated users can join, so that means they have to sign in with their school email. That's a good safe choice. If you want to have other hosts, like sometimes Miss Moore and Miss Leverty and we all host for ethics or something like that, you can put their emails in here. And if you don't know your friend's school email, it should just be their first name and their last name. I forget if there's a dot in between. But first name, last name at cpapk12.org. And then you're going to hit save. Then you can choose to add it to your Google Calendar if you want. That's up to you. But then, let's see, then when I go back to meetings, see my upcoming meetings, I have that meeting that I just put right here after my classes that day. So that's how you do it for this way. I'm going to download the app on my personal computer for those of you who are using the app on Google Chrome, and I will add how to do it from an app. So 1 second. Okay, so I have my Zoom app that I think some of you are using. So again, I'm going to sign in with Google. Oh. Open Zoom meetings. I'll close my browser here. Okay, so then it comes up like this for me. Again, I really hope this is what it looks like for you guys. But so then you can do this new meeting. Oh, and it just starts for me. Oh, well, that's not what I wanted to do. Go away. You can do, so that just starts one. Okay, you can schedule a meeting. There we go. That's what I wanted. And again, you can schedule it from here and choose these settings. Okay. And then you can, let's see, advanced options. Where's the part where you invite people? Okay, well, if I say it's at noon, that's in 45 minutes. So I'm going to save that. do I have to sign in again? Oh, because it's going on my calendar. Well, again, not what I wanted, but okay, so I'm going to go to my meetings. Okay, so this one is starting, show the invitation. So I'm going to copy the invitation. Okay, so there's different ways you could do this. Let me just say that. So one way you could do it is go to your contacts. You probably don't have, so I have company contacts, and this is like everybody from CPA that I have contacted before. That's one way you could do it. I don't know if you guys will have that or not. Another way you could do it is you copy this invitation link, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go, it created a event on my calendar, so I'm going to add guests, and so I can start typing in friends. So I'm going to say like Miss Hillman, Miss Moore, right? And so then when I hit save, it will send them an email saying that you invited them. So this is like the email that it will send them. And they can say yes, no, maybe. Okay. The other way you could do it is you could just open your email. Come on. There we go. And then you'll type which friends you want to send it to, and then you can just paste your invitation, and there is the link right there, join Zoom meeting. So you have multiple options on how to do that. And if you mess up, you can either say you get the time wrong or something like that, you can edit it, or you can delete it and start over. Okay. Hopefully this is what it looks like. Let me know as soon as possible if this is not what it looks like for you, but I thought maybe if I did it on my PC instead of my Mac that this would help. So good luck.